In previous class, I explained about algebra, how to calculate terms, factors, and coefficient, and how to draw factor tree. After that, I explained about like term and unlike term. We have completed like term. Now keep adding unlike terms. Keep adding unlike terms. Unlike terms. The terms having the same variable, the terms having the same variables, the terms having the same variables, the terms having the same variable with a different exponent, with the different exponents, with the different exponents, or different variables with same powers, or different variables with different variables with same powers, are called unlike terms. Example, 3xy comma 3x square y. Same variable but degree are different. Unlike term. 2xyz comma xyz square. Variables are same but degree are different. That is called unlike terms. Yes. Now keep adding polynomial. Keep adding polynomial. Keep adding polynomial. Yes. Write anything. What is the meaning of polynomial? Polynomial is derived from two words, poly and nomial. Poly means multiple, nomials means terms. If any expression is containing two or more than two terms, that is called polynomial. If any expression is containing two or more than two terms, that is called polynomial. This point keep in mind. If any expression is containing two or more than two, not one, two or more than two terms, that is called polynomial. Like 2x plus 4. This is one term and second term. There are two terms, this is called polynomial. If I am writing 2x, 2x is not a polynomial because 2x is containing only one term. Third example, I am writing 2x square plus 4x plus 7. This is also polynomial. If any expression is containing two or more than two terms is called polynomials. Here two terms is there, here more than two terms is there. Both are polynomial. But if any expression is containing one term, that is not a polynomial. There are different types of polynomials is there: monomial, binomial, trinomial, after that multinomial. I will explain one. What is monomial? Mono means one. If any expression is containing single term, that is called monomial. Suppose I am writing here 2x. 2x is how many terms is there? Only one term, the monomial. If I am writing 2x plus 3, how many terms are there? Two terms. If any expression is containing two unlike terms, that is called binomial. Two like term, not two unlike term. If any expression is containing two unlike terms, that is called binomial. If I'm writing like that, don't confuse. 2x plus x, this is monomial or binomial? 2x plus x, 2x and x both are like term. 3x, this is monomial, don't confuse. Whatever word I have told, listen that carefully. If any expression is containing two unlike terms, here both are like terms, 2x and x both are like term, when I will add these two like terms, answer will become single term, that is monomial. While observing, don't say this is the monomial, binomial. You need to simplify also, that is monomial or binomial. One more example I am writing, x plus 7 minus 3. This is monomial, binomial or trinomial? X, we can't do anything. I will write x as it is. Plus 7 minus 3. Both are unlike term, but both are constant only. Plus 7 minus 3 plus 4. Actually is what? Binomial, but looking like what? Trinomial. Don't confuse. If any expression is containing three unlike term, that is called trinomial. If any expression is containing two unlike term, that is called binomial. If any expression is containing single term, that is called monomial. Mono means two, mono means one, bi means two, tri means three. Are you getting my point, student? Then what is multinomial? Multinomial contains binomial, trinomials, not monomial. Multinomial contains binomial and trinomials. It is also called as polynomial. Second name of polynomial is called multinomial, right? We can say polynomial contains binomial, trinomials, not monomials. Note down first concept, polynomial. An expression, an expression an expression which contains an expression which contains two or two or more than two terms, more than two terms is called an expression which contains two or more than two terms are called polynomials. Two or more than two terms are called polynomials. Example, 2x plus 4, x square plus 7x plus 3, x minus 7 plus y. If any expression is containing two or more than two terms, that is called polynomial. This is not only example, infinite examples are there. Types of polynomials. Types of polynomial. There are different types of polynomials. There are different types of polynomials. There are different types of polynomials. First one is monomial. Mono means single. An expression which contains only one term. An expression which contains only one term is called monomial. Example, x comma 2x comma minus 1 by 2y, etc. Any expression is containing one term, that is called monomial. Underline, only one term. Second key heading, binomial. Mono means one, bi means what? Two. Binomials. An expression which contains two unlike terms. An expression which contains an expression which contains two unlike terms are called binomials. Underline, two unlike terms. Example, don't confuse student. Two unlike term, not two like term. Two unlike term. 2x plus 4. 2x is one term, 4 is second term. Both are unlike. X square plus 4. Yeah, x square minus 3. Two unlike term. XYZ plus 4. Don't 3 XYZ is 3. But XYZ is combined only one term. Two unlike term. Third one is trinomials. An expression which contains three unlike terms which contains three unlike terms are called trinomials. Tri means three unlike terms. Example, x square plus 2x minus 7, x plus 7 minus y, 2x plus 3 minus y. Write down clearly. An expression which contains three unlike terms are called trinomials. Example, x square 2x minus 7, all three terms are unlike terms. X plus 7 minus y, all three terms are unlike terms. Keep star point. And those are missing today's class, they can't do anything in the tomorrow's grade assessment. Keep first star point. Polynomial contains binomials and trinomials. Second star point. A polynomial is also referred to as a multinomial. A polynomial is also referred to as multinomials. Write down very clearly, everyone. Second star point, a polynomial is also referred to as, referred spelling check it students, referred to as a multinomial. Referred is the past tense, okay? Yes, now keep heading. Degree of polynomials. Keep heading. Degree of polynomials. Degree of polynomials. Degree of polynomials. Everyone concentrate here. Stop writing, everyone. All students stop writing. Concentrate here. How to calculate? Concentrate here. What is degree of polynomials? Highest power of the variable is called degree of polynomials. Suppose I have written here x square plus 4x plus 7 is to the power of 9. What is the degree of this given polynomials? 2 or 9? 2 or 9? 9 is the wrong answer. Just now I told, listen my word very carefully. Highest degree of the variable, not constant. Here 7 is the constant. I want to check only degree of variable. Highest degree of variable is 2. Degree is 2 here. One more example I am writing. X is to the power of 100 plus 2x minus 7x square plus 100 is to the power of 200. What is degree here? 100. Don't say 200. 100 is the constant here. If I want to find out degree of polynomials, only I want to check highest degree of the variable. Only I want to check highest degree of the variable, not constant. This point always keep in mind. When you are finding degree of variables, degree of given polynomials, always you want to check only power of the variable, not constant of the variable. Okay, not constant, only power of the variables, not constant. Now one more variety is there. Second variety is there, how to find degree. X square plus x square y cube plus zdx plus 7. What is degree here? Degree of given complete polynomials. Here degree is 2. Here x is 2, y is 3, 5. Here z is 1, x is 1, 2. Here degree is nothing, 0. What is higher degree here? 5. Means we can combine also, we can get out the degree if they have given different variables. Understood? Here don't say answer is 2. Answer is not 2 because x square y cube is also is there. When we'll combine degree of x and x cube, x square and y cube, then answer will become 5. If particular question they are asking, what is the degree of variable y in the given polynomial? What is the degree of variable y in the given polynomial? Then our answer is what? 3. Y higher degree is 3. If question is asking what is the degree of polynomial, what is degree of x in the given polynomial, then answer is what? 2. Got it? But if question is asking what is the degree of given polynomials, means complete polynomial, then answer is what? 5. I hope you are getting my point. Note down concept. The highest power of the variable, the highest power of the variable the highest power of the variable in a given polynomial, in a given polynomial is called degree of polynomials. Example 1, 3x square plus 5x power 4 minus 9x minus 8. What is degree here? Degree of polynomial is equal to 4. Second example, 4 minus 7y. What is degree? What is degree? Degree I am asking, not coefficient, girl. Y degree is nothing means we'll assume 1. Third, don't confuse. 4 a square b plus 9 a cube b square minus 3ab square minus ab plus 5. What is degree here? First degree is 3, 2 plus 1 3. Second degree 3 plus 2 5. Third degree 1 plus 2 3. Second degree is 2. Degree is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. Degree is equal to 5. We want to add the exponent beta. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Highest degree of the power variable. Note down clearly, everyone. Fourth, x power 100 plus 2x plus 100 is to the power of 200. What degree here? 100. Highest degree of the variable is called degree of polynomials.